speech, which are simile, irony, metaphor, personification, and understatement. So what are you waiting for? Let's start! Based on my research, simile is a way of comparing two different things by using the word like and as to make a description more vivid and interesting. Examples: as close as ball, as busy as bees, as smooth as sandpaper. Next is metaphor. Metaphor compares two different things by stating that one thing is another. Here are the examples. The sun was a gleaming pearl. The seat in the library was soft as a cloud. And lastly, he has the heart of gold. Third is irony. Irony is the use of words to express something none other than their literal meaning. Examples: an astronomer being afraid of dark, a dog lover being allergic to dogs. Fourth, personification. Personification is where human activities and actions are attributed to animals, abstract ideas, and inanimate objects. Here's different examples of personification. The stars wink in the night sky. The plants dance in the wind. The gray clouds cried a few drops of rain. Fifth, understatement. Understatement is intentionally represented as less significant or important than it actually is, often for emphasis or humor. Here are a few examples of understatement. Saying it's a bit cold, even though the temperature is so low. It's a bit windy, it responded to a hurricane. Saying we didn't play too badly, but they played badly. And that's the 5 types of figures of speech.
And now, before we end, let's check your understanding.